under the curve. Under the curve, which curve? AB. AB. AB is the velocity time curve. Okay, under the curve AB. So now, how to find the area?
So may you show the diagram?
How to find the area? Now to find the area, we need to split the area. Let's draw a line perpendicular, parallel to the x-axis and perpendicular to this AB. We're drawing a line. Give it name as D. Okay. So area OABC, area OABC equal to area of the triangle ABD plus area of the rectangle OADC. So these two areas. You understand this? So
Sir, may you repeat? Yes, sir.
area under the curve,
Yes.
that means total, it is a trapezium, you see. So total area is what? Total area is OABC. Total area is OABC. Total area is OABC. This area is split into two distinct areas as area of the triangle ABD plus area of the triangle OADC. Area of the triangle OADC. So here what we are going to do, we find it separately. So what we do it here, area of the trapezium area of the trapezium OABC equal to area can be written like this. If you like this symbol is area of the triangle ABD plus area OADC. So area of the triangle ABD plus area of the triangle OADC. Now area of the triangle, you know, area of the triangle equal to how much? Area of the triangle,
may you show the graph, please?
Area of the triangle ABD, area of the triangle ABD, you know the area of the formula half base into height. Half base into height. So half base is what? AD into height. Height is how much? BD.
B minus U.
BD. Okay, I will do step by step. If you understand it is better. And now area of the triangle is what? Area of the triangle is, we can take as this length, and this is
ADAO.
length and length into breadth. So this is our OC into AO.
So DC also we can take into DC.
You can write DC also. AO. Right?
Yes,
because
because
this
they're
is known
same.
to us. Now equal to what? Half
Base
AD.
as AD.
AD is what? AD is the time T.
T.
AD is the time T. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So half into T into BD is how much?
V.
BD is how much? BD is
V.
total
V minus
BC
U.
minus CD. BD is equal to
V minus U.
BC minus CD. BC is what? V.
V.
BC is V. And CD is how much? U.
U. V minus U.
So V minus U. So this is equal to V minus U plus OC into AO. OC equal to, already we know, OC is equal to what? T
T
into AO equal to what? U.
U.
Is it clear?
Sir, could you show the full board?
Anyone who couldn't understand?
Sir, in the exam, if we don't get any numerical values, the answer should be like such, right?
No, this is the proof. This is actually derivation. In your question, when problem will be there, then values will be given. But here, you do not need any value. So, what you need to prove is that A is equal to UT plus half AT square. So, you see on the right, UT I already got. So, here what you need to get half AT square. So, V minus U equal to what? V minus U equal to what? V minus U is V minus U
Sir,
by
initial
T.
velocity, sorry, final velocity minus initial
Final
velocity.
velocity.
So V minus U by T. Now as right next, as if you can see or not,
ମୁଣ୍ଡ କାଟୁଛି ଏମିତି କରିକି ଲେଖିବାକୁ ପଡୁଛି କଣ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି
right
board ରେ?
next as V minus U by T equal to A, as V minus T equal to A, therefore V minus U equal to, therefore write this all, V minus U equal to AT. Could you see that? As V minus U by T equal to A, that is acceleration, rate of change of velocity. Understand this?
Yes, sir.
So now
Yes, sir.
you put it here,
Yes, sir.
put here half T,
नहीं दिखा
नहीं लिखा, as V minus U
sir.
by T equal to A, therefore V minus U equal to AT, written. So half into T was here already, T was here already, and V minus U equal to again AT plus UT was also already there, UT. So if you write this all together, what you get? If you write together, then equal to UT plus half AT square, S equal to. Understand?
Sir, may you show the last line, please?
Last line. Here.
Yes, sir.
As S is the distance S is the distance which is represented by the area under the curve that is line AB. Could you see all?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All of you written?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.